Hi, so today on Cooking on the Fly, I'm gonna bake some cod. Let's do it. So this is what we have. We have some carrots, Brussels sprouts, purple cabbage, a lemon, red bell pepper, onion, minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, coconut oil, and wild caught fish. Now I may not use all of these ingredients. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to chop some of them up and see what I have. Before I do that though, I'm going to take my coconut oil and put it in the pan. Now coconut oil should be solid. During winter time, I store this in the pantry. You can see that it's solid, so we're going to heat it up. I'm going to start chopping these vegetables. Now I'm going to cook these all in the same pan. Now I got out a bowl. I'm going to put these in here. Okay. This is going to be a mixture of vegetables onto the purple cabbage. There we have that. This is the pan I'll be using. So I'm going to take a little bit of coconut oil and grease the bottom of this pan. Now I'm going to take my mixture and pour it in here. Onto the carrots. Now I want to cut these in small enough pieces where they will not take too long to cook. I move these to my pan. Onto the pepper. So I got my peppers cut up. I'm going to put those right here. I'm going to take some butter and put it right on there. I'm also going to put a little bit of butter in with my coconut oil, give it a little buttery flavor. Got my minced garlic. I'm going to put my fish in here. I got my oven set on 400 degrees. I'm going to take my vegetables and put them in the oven while I'm cooking the fish. I'm going to season the fish. Put a lid on the pan. Now the lemon's going to be my garnish, so I'm going to cut it. Got 2 wedges and 2 rounds here. There we go. I'm going to cook this maybe about 6 minutes per side and then check it. Okay. Going to give it a little lemony flavor. Got some ginger here, just because I can. Now I'm going to turn the heat off on this because this is clearly going to be done first. We're still waiting on the vegetables, so we're going to just let those cook for another 10 minutes. You can see the butter's still not melted yet. Now I might decide to mix all of the vegetables together after it's done cooking. I'm just going to wing it and see how it looks. Now I've never done this before, but I'm just going to sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on here. Just sounds like a good idea. Now if you have walnuts, you can put walnuts on top and use that as a garnish as well. So we're going to pull these vegetables out. This is what we have. I would actually like the carrots to be done a little more. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix these up. Look at all those colors. That's what we want to see. Now I'm going to take my fish and put it right here. Pour some sauce over it. So I could actually plate this right now and be done, but since it's not lunchtime, I'm going to put it in some containers. That way it'll be ready to go when I'm ready to eat my lunch. So I will actually reheat this again for maybe about 10 minutes when I'm ready to eat. Now I drizzled a little bit of sauce on it just for color so it would look better in the plating. There it is. So here it is. I'll be ready to pop this in the oven at lunchtime.